In a very recent event, a huge company seems to have started investing in BTT. The best part is the amount they are investing. How much do you think they would have invested? And which companies are we speaking about? Stay tuned to find out more about it. Welcome back to another video on this channel. Today, we will be looking into BTT and why the prices have been going down for some time now. Before we start, make sure you leave us a like and also hit the subscribe button. Also, remember that this is not financial advice, so make sure you make your decisions with due diligence. This video is only for entertainment and educational purposes. Having said all of it, let us get to the video. According to a report published by the SEC, the Blackrock Municipal Target Term Trust Incorporated seems to have started buying a lot of BTT coins in the current month. This report was published by the SEC on June 14, 2021, which makes it very recent news. According to the reports, the cash payment of $100,000 BTT has been executed by them, which is to be paid on July 1, 2021. A lot of other companies are of the opinion that the same will be a good investment, especially because BlackRock has recently been getting into the same. The prices of Bittorent have not been at the most desirable levels for the past couple of months. Ever since it has hit the $0.0106, we have been seeing the prices going down to bounce back a bit at the $0.007 to reach $0.9 and then fall back down again. Since then, the prices have slowly been coming down to the levels that we see nowadays. As a matter of fact, since then, as we have seen a descending triangle, the price now seems to be consolidating to break off in either direction. Since it was launched in 2019, it has been working on improving the manner in which it performs. There has been a huge toll on this coin ever since the recent crypto crash. The motive of BitTorrent was to be one of the coins that could be used in the best manner by the decentralized web. So, as a matter of fact, one of the major reasons why we have been seeing the prices coming down by a huge margin is that people are still unsure of this element of it. The question many might have right now is if it will be able to run at such low prices that we have seen till now. The highest prices that it has are just around a cent. And the current prices as of June 14, 2021 are much lower than that. The object that this coin provides is increasing the scope of sharing with no charges. Many places saw this to even be illegal, because of which the prices have been going down over time. What needs to be understood is that this is a very early tool that allows the developers to experience what exactly it will be like to have free and open internet. This will help in higher access and, therefore, productivity. As the internet started being used for a lot of things, it became hard for the developers to determine which places could turn into potential places for them to sell. Since now, radios and theaters were not the only places. This means that BitTorrent was, therefore, a system that is completely decentralized that helped in sharing files from one place to the other. Since there was no control which the BT had directly, it was just a protocol being used by the users while their data was also kept private. There was a lot of similarity between the two, and therefore there were high chances for them to keep flourishing over time. The real reason for the prices to be going down for BTT is due to the fact that we have a lot of online content providers and streaming services very recently. On top of this, we also have tight policies being put forth by the government, which yet again diminishes the use of such platforms, since many of the governments have also declared similar companies illegal. The similarities with cryptocurrency do exist in a huge manner. However, with new bodies coming in, the investments, we may be able to see more people getting into it in no time. We hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel. Until the next time we meet.